Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to withdraw from Binance to bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, type in binance.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on Buy Crypto tab here. Now, you can see 4 different tabs. Click on Withdraw Fiat tab. From here, you need to select the currency you want to withdraw. Simply click on this drop-down menu and select it. Now choose the bank transfer method. There are 4 options. After that, click on Continue button. If you have not verified your account, you may get a pop-up like this. After the verification is done, you can enter the amount you wish to withdraw to your bank account. Provide any required banking details such as bank account number, SWIFT code or IBAN, depending on your country and withdrawal method. Review the transaction details including any fees Binance may charge. Double check all information to ensure accuracy, then confirm the withdrawal. Binance may prompt you for additional verification such as SMS or email code, as well as two-factor authentication if enabled. Withdrawal processing times may vary depending on the method and your bank. It can take from a few minutes to a few days for funds to reflect in your bank account. So that is how you can withdraw from Binance to your bank account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.